As we continue through February bringing awareness to American Heart Month, we want to highlight another simple change you can make to protect your heart, your diet. But it can be intimidating knowing where to start. That's why in tonight's In Good Health, Whitney Amann has some tips for a heart-healthy diet from McLaren Northern Michigan.
When you're hungry and in a rush, you may be tempted to grab something like this, or make a quick stop through a drive-thru.
I'm sure everyone's aware that our American style of eating probably isn't the healthiest for our heart.
The American Heart Association says a healthy diet and lifestyle are keys to preventing and managing heart disease. And it's not as hard as you might think.
The easiest thing you can do is start cooking at home or think about easy, minimally processed foods to eat in order to reduce those items in your food that can be harmful to your heart.
They have some simple steps to follow, like using up at least as many calories as you take in.
I like that guideline because it's very simple to follow. If you're feeling like you want a snack, but you know you've been sitting around all day, you might say, oh, nope, I'm not using up more calories than I take in. I'll skip it. I'll have a cup of tea or a glass of water and move forward.
And eating an overall healthy diet.
The Heart Association is helping us focus on eating whole foods, fruits, vegetables, grains, less processed foods that don't have added sugar and sodium in them.
The key to keeping your heart healthy starts in the kitchen.
I kind of wanted to demonstrate two recipes that help illustrate the guidelines for healthy eating.
Starting your day with a well-balanced breakfast sets you up for success.
So the recipe is overnight oats. It takes less than 30 seconds to make. I do it every night before work.
You can customize the recipe with your favorite ingredients, but the basics are oats.
I keep my measuring scoop in my container.
Milk.
I just add the milk till I kind of cover my oatmeal.
Your favorite fruit.
I like to do strawberries, raspberries, blackberries. I also like to cut up a small apple and put that with cinnamon.
And it's ready to grab as you head out the door.
That was probably less than 30 seconds. And I just put it in the fridge. And the next morning I take it out and I put it in my bag and I take it to work.
If you're looking for a healthy side dish or even a lunch to bring to work.
The recipe I'm making is called quinoa with asparagus, dates, and oranges. It uses whole grains, fruits, vegetables, a non-tropical oil, olive oil, no added sugar. We're building color and flavor, nutrients, and it's all going to be made and ready to go whenever you need it.
If you're on the go and didn't have time to prep something, remember.
On any packaged food, there's a nutrition label that gives us a wealth of information. They've revised the label to make it as easy as possible to understand. So just paying attention to the information on the package can be an easy way to get started.
For In Good Health, I'm Whitney Amann.
And if you'd like to try out those recipes, we have more health tips over on the In Good Health tab on 9and10news.com.